to build this Kallax cabinet that I buy on IKEA. Don't ask me to wait for my husband because I know I can do it. Alright, so I have this. I have all this screw. So this is a Kallax bookshelf cabinet. So it says I don't have a hammer, I have a screw. Carpenter job. So this will be done. Oh my god. What the fuck is this? Now I have to figure out. Mysteries in the So, ito yung sa gilid. Yepe! Ayan yung nasa taas. Stand. So at the bottom of this, if you can see, there's a pour hole in the corner, so this will be the back side. So the reason why they put this, just in case you guys want to put some stand. Smart, right? Yeah. Now, let's proceed for this. world, guys. Look. So, pwede siyang ganyan. I did it! Madali lang naman siya. Sa mga ladies out there, if you wanna do something, you can do it by yourself, right? Yes. Women now needs to be independent. Pinagpawisan ako asin. Kasi pag order ka online, this costs like 13 KD in IKEA. And then delivery charge is 10 KD. And if they are going to assemble it, the cost is 5 KD. Can you imagine that? So I saved 5 KD and the delivery charge for 15 KD. I saved 15 KD. So I do it myself. That's all, guys, for today. I'm so happy. So this is the one I made, the Kallax. It's like actually bookshelves. This is a bookshelves, but since I have a TV inside our room, that's why I decided to get this one. And I have to put out one of the cabinet that is not much. So the master bedroom color is white. That's why I got this white. And this is double purpose, a TV stand, and I'm gonna put some of my husband's books down there. That much on the color of our master bedroom. So it's easy, very easy. It's a little bit, you know, you're gonna need some energy. You gonna need some muscles, but it worth it because I saved. I picked this up yesterday in IKEA, and if I'm going to order this online, as I said, I'm going to pay 10 KD for the delivery and 5 KD if they were going to assemble it. So I saved 15 KD. It's more than like 1,000 pesos, and it's easy to do it. You know, you just need to use a little bit of common sense, of course. But I'm so happy and I'm so proud of myself that, you know, I do it. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy watching, and I hope I give you an idea of how to assemble the Kallax cabinet from IKEA. This is a bookshelf Kallax cabinet. So it's so easy to make, it's easy to assemble. Of course, if you open it and there's still, like, you know, you can see them by piece, it looks like it's too hard to do it, but like what I said, we're gonna need to put up a little bit of common sense, and we can do it. Women can do it. It's not necessary that, oh, I have to wait for my husband or for my woman to do it. We can do it. It's so easy. So thank you so much for watching. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell button so you will get notified for all the new video that I will be uploaded. I think I'm enough of furnishing our house, so I don't think so there's another video for assembling a cabinet. Maybe, we don't know, you know. I'm gonna need to add some more furniture. I don't think so. I think that's fine for me. So thanks so much for watching.